And the reality in the say, some people for here, omo party no, and I say as it is now, omo party no, ibi mu guno. Come to what I say.
I do.
NPP for now, or more from now.
do.
Or more from now. Or makuma, eji shim party no. Technically, a man for be guno. Technically, a man for be good party no. Come to what I say.
I do.
And to the extent say, MPs threaten the president. Threat.
Yeah.
Threat not as in threatening somebody violently or something, but more threatening. They are questioning the authority of the president. And captain, say party impending for no council of elders. You say we are ben masem there. Name what the other side are a political party issue. What they are doing, it borders on the image of the political party. Look at the seemingly banter between Gabby and the majority leader.
Yeah.
And some of these things, this Gabby guy, who is he? The Gabby, Captain Metimiaibi. And Yamana, Metimiaibi. Metimi, or yes, sir, because of the president or your direct relative. And Makacho says, "Answer full way bintina me no." And I've told you the type of a coup I made.
What catch them says, "Same way na won't join."
Me don't coup.
Yeah.
Because ye na yeti me nyaku. Ni ye na yeti me fa emoja ye mbre emoja ani enko campaign me dura najo. E me bi nkonya accident wu. A man for the omo effort no omo resources. And the party na I am members of the party about do this time. It means I go me a member be sure me bu boss must sawase egu.
Debbie. It's not your member no.
Come to what I say.
This one I don't.
Me see what is happening no.
This one I don't.
People can disagree with me, but technically, party ni image no.
Yeah.
One very person, Captain, who dey dream who kwa actually say obi be na ya appointing as a minister. Situation na be so critical. No ti hona ne to afo na na still are you comfortable say we need baby akọ. If not say a family member na president. If not. Now I didn't clear too much. You see at the crowd of Riata to see some mummy pejan in how you be at the crowd. At the corner and the two sisi no the two sisi no and jumpers or best no. You pejan in how see you be at the crowd. Captain, what I say? When in processes are coming in say waste of resources and precious time.
Yeah.
Waste of resources. Is he telling us say it is a Kotuaba 2024? Now say send the party in Lucia still obey finance minister na.
It's not possible.
Enunti enema ekono. Me dey me say MPP4 mo party no. Captain, my character say enema political party to me win. One of them near political image.
Yeah.
The image of the political party.
See as a 50 at the so he block at the so. Yeah, just say yemfa ho plans cry. We cry the wimple cry the minister put on my idea say education ministry take decisions or to aso. And kaya bibia and ka obejan ho sa. Oh, just what sort of country is that? 21 months. Sometimes you now who say you can afford it, but when then because the pay for idea of my almost at the juma mu di mind there. Omu ni ye. Doctor na memra can for that asem.
I heard them say will be kappa.
Doctor mini bibi aka. Ni asema na woka. Asema mu na aka ne say oh the you hwe ne say speaker ukoyi committee.
8-member committee.
NPP for say. Nipa na mo kan no kra yempe no. Ye benya onko. NNDC for so say mo asem won ho. Ti yen senza no. Okay, 2 people, 2 groups. And the groups no speaker. Hwe on ade o why nipa 8?
Yeah.
Nipa 8 no. Why you co-chairpersons 2? We are free. And nipa 3 ko support mo. Nipa 4. Did you never see? Asema member parliament na ebe pai. egosi hu yeni casting vote eni bibia enti no answer omo baba 9 people aka say oh ye ntimi base on minority asem omo kan because many people for adwene me say me tinchen oh so obusa me say ensem na omo de call you know committee no say utie nsem na omo kan na na nya flimsy ensem tokro esem bia nim doctor she say can forata I say ono no ye reasonable adwene Ghana ho adwene Ghana yie no ka che Ghana for say Ghana for in fact ma who say Ghanaians you have lost confidence in me into my tranching and I say sebi you asaba make ma no twitwi form say me di obi atema mo fa nteme president hunu nyansa president no also hunu nyansa e ka say Ghana for na to abama me na say me di me nyansa to ho na me dwene Ghana for ho na me ka say na ma busu afọ nkwa na betima ye
ma me fa nyina bisa say na ohwa Kenoforiata me who say me who say why crowd so be resign back adiaka
edinaka ade obi president no go
tinana enu me ba wo enu tin na official say me bisa official abasa kase ben
e na kura ni mo person edenkwa
ehoni asem no
ko mama kasa ba ko mama
utimi cholet about yen
mama critical issue pancho mama critical issue pa Kofi Akanene o say president wo yi Kenoforiata free ho and after that resign he can never appoint he will never and he will not in any imagination of life say president go appoint NDC ni just say Ghana for kwayem pene you guys on the appointed on one NPP ni so what is he hiding what a talk has Kenoforiata has
then na one ministry ho
Ghana ha what is this? What is the problem? What is the problem? And to me, I don't know what is happening. Na me Kenoforiata na me ndwene no ho. Say aden ti odo onu nkonti onu me kan che president masa away. Aden Ghana for women. Unim Oforiata onya na nso be resign. One ka just why na nso be resign. Why na nso be resign? Kana no kodina AGI kaka nsemu say me what it takes to bring the country back. What does it take to bring the country back? What does it has? Obetim dey. We di minister
also na nyamia pound so yiye mfiri
ono nkwa enti ever since Ghana gina ya ade o maye finance minister na Ghana gu na Ghana nya omai na Ghana nya omai enti why do you want to make it look like say wo lord who over Ghanaians say me nkwa ni nipa make my finance minister asem na re ho na unim me is disappointed in NPP as a party. NPP as a party. She wouldn't say all members of parliament and they're taking that decision. And what about the party itself also doing? And can party near baby and come so big up on catch the president. In fact, baby, confidence level in Oforiata gone. It's gone. And he appoint another person. Now your party for you and support the Oyeno. Can the party people also do it? You patrons. Ewo Ghana, ewo NPP mo. Your founding members. And the other, as a sebi yo NPP for mama kasa me didi matem. As a sebi yo nyansa ni bia ni NPP. What is this? Because mo jani pa ba ko no won ko take this say, "Where unim, ye bi esem usi na se munya mu ma no ye din a." E ha adwene. Aden na munti apart from members of parliament emu be 80% aka say, "Ye de ye see Oforiata nko no." Say say any other group bia group in some Ghana ha nyina mo ye NPP fo na, obi a ye din, say the president nko a.
But as I talk to you, me no kasa CCA. Say kuma MPs no enye better.
Na say enti wo
MPs ni meetings are on my yes meetings upon meetings. On my onim so ma ba hakra ko.
Say enti what sort of power? What sort of power na MP president wo ready to destroy your own party?